Hello lovelies, I hope you're doing well. Today I share the best fried rice recipe. If you want to know how I made this, keep watching and don't forget to like and share. Thank you, and let's start cooking. To begin, I'm going to cook the chicken to get a tasty broth for the fried rice, and for that I'm using hard chicken. And to season the chicken, I'll go in with seasoning cubes, rosemary, thyme, curry powder, minced ginger and garlic, chopped onions, salt and Scotch bonnet pepper. I'll mix to combine and allow it to steam cook for 6 to 8 minutes before adding water. 8 minutes later, I will add enough water, cover and allow it to cook properly. I will be using liver for this recipe, and to season the liver, I will go in with seasoning cubes, minced ginger and garlic, chopped onions. I will add water and allow it to cook. Once the liver is fully cooked, I will set it aside and allow it to cool down before dicing it into cubes. I'm not going to show the whole process because I don't want this video to be too long. At this time, the chicken is fully cooked. I'm going to scoop it out and start frying. You can grill if you prefer. In my preheated oil, I will go in with onion for flavor. Next, I will transfer the chicken in my preheated oil and allow it to fry. Once the chicken is well fried, I'm going to take it out from the oil and fry the liver. Please don't over fry the liver, otherwise you will not like the taste. Here are the rest of my ingredients: chopped red bell pepper, yellow and green, sweet corn, long beans, green peas, carrots, fried liver, chopped Scotch bonnet pepper, minced ginger and garlic, and chopped onions, curry powder, seasoning cubes and salt to taste, and of course my rice. To cook the rice, I'm using the same oil I used in frying the chicken because the oil is already flavored. Next, I'll go in with my chopped onions, ginger, garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, curry powder, seasoning cubes and salt. I'll fry for 3 minutes to release the fragrance. Next, I'll go in with my rice. You can parboil or wash with hot water. It depends on the type of rice you are using. For this recipe, I'm using golden Sala basmati. I parboiled it a little bit. It's my personal preference. You can choose not to. I will mix properly, cover and allow it to fry for 5 to 7 minutes on a medium heat. 7 minutes later, I check on the rice and it's doing well. All the grains are well toasted. Next, I'll go in with the chicken broth. I like to sieve it so that the rice will appear neat. I'll mix properly, cover and allow it to cook. While that is cooking, I'll fry the vegetables by adding small amount of vegetable oil in my cooking pot and allow it to heat up. Next, I'll go in with my spring onions. Sorry, I did not introduce it earlier. Guys, here it is. Very important in your fried rice. It gives it a nice flavor. I'll fry for 2 to 3 minutes to release the fragrance. Next, I'll go in with the carrots, long beans, green peas, bell peppers, sweet corn and fried liver, and season with all-purpose seasoning and allow it to fry for 3 to 5 minutes on a high heat. Once that is done, I will set it aside. And at this time, the rice is ready. Look at how beautiful the rice looks, very fluffy. To mix the rice, I will scoop out some of the fried vegetables and begin to add the rice gradually. I'm going to continue the process until everything is well combined. You can mix batch by batch with your frying pan. That works very well. As you can see, the pot I'm using is wide enough, so I don't have problem mixing it in there. so feel free to use whatever works for you. And don't forget to stir fry on a low heat. Once everything is well combined, our fried rice is ready. You guys, this fried rice is super delicious. Give it a try and thank me later. I hope you find happiness in watching today's video. For me, I find happiness in every dish. Thank you and always be positive. Bye.